All right, so I've got the tube, simple cylinder tube there for my insert. Now what I'm going to do is go sketch. I'm going to get a side profile plane, and I'm going to draw a line right down the middle first, like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another line that comes out to the side. I'm going to turn that into a rectangle and take it back to the center line again. Now what I want to do is dimension these lines so that they are the same diameter as the widest part of the threaded insert. So both sides, the diameter is 7.5. So what's half of 7.5 to make the radius? Well, what's half of 7?
3.75.
Thank you. 3.75. Well done. 3.75. Now what it's done annoyingly is it's actually moved the center line there. So guys, what I find I have to do with the center lines is I have to click on the endpoints and click on the padlock. What that does is it locks it so it can't move. So I'm going to do that again. So 3.75. 3.8 was probably what it was meant to be. Then what I'll do, I'm going to just get a load of rectangles and, actually no I'm not, I'm just going to do that now. Okay, the tool that I'm going to use is called Revolve. So I'm going to click on Revolve, I'm going to click on that rectangle in the middle. In fact, I probably need to hide that body. Let's try again. So I'm going to go Revolve, and then I'm going to click on the center line and see then it revolves it round 360 degrees. Then I need a few of these, so from a side view now, I'm going to show the main body of the tube again. I'm going to double click on that part, I'm going to go copy. I could drag down and keep copying them, or I could do what's called a linear pattern. So if I go pattern and go linear, I can decide how many I want. So how many rings are there? There's like 4 rings on there, so I need 4. And then spacing will be equal, and I just drag down until I get it to the bottom. That gives me equally spaced ribs going around it. And I can go tick. And then I can see that's the maximum diameter of the threaded insert. Again, if I wanted to be really detailed, I could then do the hex hole in the middle. So I could get my polygon there and get the size and then change that to be 6. I'm going to lock the center with the padlock, and I'm going to make the side vertical. Hold shift to select both verticals there, and we'll change that dimension to be the same as what's on here. So that's 4 mil. And go exit, and then I can extrude cut that all the way through. So I'm now going to get that and go down like that there. Now last thing I need to do is combine all these together. So I'm going to go union, and I'm going to click on all of these parts. And then union is what joins them all together to be one. And then I can go to render, and I can choose a metal material that looks like it would be correct to use on there. So typically with these, when they're kind of zinc plated, you want to find, I don't know, you might even find rough rose, polished rose gold. They always have a slightly sort of like pink aspect to them, these parts. So something like that.